friends. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a new collection from Madam Glam. They came out with a First Love collection, and what this collection is, it's 13 Builder Soak Off Gels, and in front of me you can see I have 6 of them to share with you, so I'm going to be swatching them. I do like their builder gels. I have used them before in previous videos. They're great for like a Prey Dube nails, just as a gel overlay, just to give some strength to the nails. And like I said, they're really a good builder gel, so I'm sure this is the same formula. And I'm gonna, like I said, swatch them. So I'm gonna get started right away. This is the first color I'm sharing with you in the builder gels, and it's a really pretty purple, and it's called Builder Lavender. Now this builder, I'll show you here, it is very opaque. It'll be like a cover builder, and the first 3 I'm showing you will be opaque, and the other 3 that I'll share with you, they're more transparent. You'll see when I get to them. So you can see by the consistency, they're very thick. That is perfect for a builder gel. And now I'll just swatch it. So when applying a builder to the nail, the natural nail that is, of course you would buff the nail, removing the shine. You would remove the dust, and then you would do a primer. And once the primer was on, you could use Madam Glam base coat and cure that for 30 seconds or 60 seconds, whatever you prefer. And then you can apply the builder. And once the builder's applied, you make sure you have a good apex and you cure that. And you could do a second coat of the builder if need be, but if not, you're ready to apply your top coat or your gel polish. So to begin with, here on this swatch stick, I will apply my slip layer because that's what I always do with builders. And then I'll grab a bigger bead of the builder gel. So for a builder gel too, you can always tip them over so that you have a nice apex. The gravity pulls it to the middle, which is perfect. Sometimes even tapping it will move it there quicker. So there is Builder Lavender. How pretty is that? So the next one is a pretty peach color. This one is called Builder Quarrel. So again, we'll apply that slip layer. There is Builder Coral. Really pretty soft coral color. Very nice. So the next solid opaque one is, you can tell from the top, it's Builder White. there's the Builder White. I could see this getting used lots. It's just a really nice, soft white. Very nice. So the next three are more transparent builder gels, and this one looks like a really nice, like almost jelly color blue, and it's called Builder Royal Blue. So this one again is called Royal Blue, and it is really pretty. I like it. Definitely a jelly looking builder gel, just really pretty. So the next one looks like a really nice magenta pink. Oh, and it is called Builder Magenta. And this one is Builder Magenta. Look at how pretty that one is as well. Now, if you added in another coat, it would definitely deepen that magenta color. Same with the other one, the blue one. But it is actually really nice when I just did the one coat. I like it. So the last one, it looks like it's going to be more of a coral type jelly colored builder gel. And this one is called Burnt Red. Oh, okay, so it's supposed to be maybe more red. We'll see when we apply it. So always the best way to apply these builders is just to float your brush over the builder, because then you don't get any air bubbles in it. So there's the burnt red. It's more of an orangey red, I'd say. It's really nice too. So I really want to thank Madam Glam for sending me these builder gels from the First Love collection to share with you. They're really nice. I think you guys will agree. So I did a nail design with these builder gels afterwards, but for some reason my camera stopped, so nothing was recorded. But I do have a picture of what I did, and I also am going to show you right away the products that I used to do this set. Sorry guys, I don't usually have that happen, but for some reason this time it did. So the first one I used on the set was the Builder Lavender. And then on one of the nails, I applied the Builder White. And then once I was done that, I applied these polymer clay hearts. They're so cute. And then on top of that, I encapsulated with the Builder Magenta. Then I applied the Amethyst Stardust to the pinky and top coated with Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. The builders are amazing. So thanks everybody, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.